It's really hot. Why did I put on a black shirt? That was stupid.
Hi.
Chloe's here though.
Hi, Chloe.
So I got a haircut.
Thanks to
Your mother.
Yeah.
Anyways, this week we didn't do a whole lot. Why did we do a whole lot, Leah?
Because I had to be at work at 6 o'clock every morning last week.
Is it fun?
And
what a part-time job, you have to be there at 6 a.m.
I'm not a morning person at all. I'm used to waking up around 10 or 11. And I don't go to bed until after midnight, usually around 1 o'clock. And so I only had, 3 to 4 hours of sleep each night. And so then I had to get up and go to work. And then as soon as I come home, I got back in bed and I slept the rest of the day. And I was a little grumpy. I didn't want to be disturbed.
You'll see that.
What?
Anyways, this week was like a random hodgepodge, that's a good word. Hodgepodge of different things that I did. Didn't film Leah a whole lot, I'm sorry. But
that's okay.
She was sleeping a lot.
Eh.
Anyways, you'll get to see just some random things throughout the week. This week's flashback footage.
Boom.
That works.
Please don't leave that.
Is something cool a few years ago at Ohio Dreams, which became really popular because of the slip and fly, which you haven't seen it. Check it out on my channel. It's somewhere. You'll see it.
Slip and fly.
Anyways, two of the people that work there are also skydivers, and we took a helicopter up 5,000 feet with the doors off, and they jumped out of the helicopter at Ohio Dreams. It was really cool, and we'll show you that to you now. Here's a little something about me. So, I currently drive from Norwich, where I'm living right now, to Columbus 4 or 5 days a week, depending on how I feel that week. But it's about an hour and 15 minutes one way, almost about 140 miles round trip. I work for ABB, which probably won't explain what it is, but you can look it up. I do video work, so that's my day job, and then I do this on the side, so it's fun.
6.5 hours later.
See you, Roy! Now to drive an hour and 15 minutes. Head to the girlfriend's house. I'm guessing she's going to be asleep. Odds are she will be asleep. Hi, Daisy. What did I say?
No, don't film me while I'm sleeping.
Hmm?
I love sleep. This is not the time to be filming me.
You know what Mom said? Mom's like, would you quit taking pictures of her? She clearly doesn't understand what we are doing.
This is why America's fat and this is why I'm fat. Because $3 for 2 cheeseburgers and a large drink.
You're fat. I'm the one with the belly. Let me show you something.
What?
I got something.
What?
I'll show it to you. So, the thing I have to show you is, since I've been working for ABB for 5 years now, they give you a gift, and I got this. It's a Bluetooth speaker for working there 5 years, and it didn't cost me anything. Ooh, pretty. Looks like we got some info there, and we got the speaker. Well, let's try it out.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time.
All right.
Tomorrow.
So, I am working from home today, which essentially means that I will struggle to get anything at all done, but it beats driving to Columbus. Check out them kicks though. Oh, it's gorgeous here in old Norwich. Chloe, come here, come here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna say, oh, Red Bull. It's bits. I love these two things. It's probably why I'm huge. Come on. So I can tell you that this is the life of an editor. Just transferring terabytes of footage. So I finally got a RAID solution running in RAID 1. Be honest with you, I mean, a lot of the stuff that I've done over the last few years hasn't been backed up, and I had a hard drive fail at work, and I was like, I really need to get this all backed up. So this is transferring from a old Seagate drive to a RAID situation, so I can finally have things backed up. Hey, Leah. You know what's keeping me going? Yes. Not a paid promotion by Red Bull. Although Red Bull, hit me up. Alright, now that I got everything transferred onto the RAID, step 2, take hard drive out of enclosure. Step 3, put hard drive that's really hot into PC. Gosh, it's really hot. Woo! Run Dropbox off this, run all my video projects off the RAID. Let's see what we can do. And just like I expected, we can pop it all in there, but I'm going to need another SATA cable. And off to the store again. But at least I got this. You'll notice I will be in my car a lot for this vlog. Unfortunately, I spend a lot of my life in the car. But hey, at least it's pretty out, right? It's a gorgeous day here in Ohio. 82 degrees. So, get this. Go in there, tell him what I need. He hands me one. He says, I have a bunch of them. Just take it. So, got what I needed. Check out the computer place in New Concord. Alright, now that we are back up and running, I got Dropbox on my new drive. Let's see here. And we got her installed. There it is. Well, it's about 5 in the morning, and she's wiping it off.
Look at it, it's just dripping off.
Onto the napkin. Look at my skillet go. It's 5 in the morning. Leah's got to go to work. So here we are, eating for breakfast. That way I can get up early and she can't do it. You have food. Does that make you happy?
Not at 5 in the morning.
Okay, time to go to work.
I think it's up.
What? Oh, there you go. I love you.
I love you too. What a gentleman.
Alright. Love you, babe.
I love you. Be careful. It takes me to work.
Okay. Have a good day at work.
I'll try.
What time is it?
5:40.
Blech. Love you.
I love you.
Well, guess who wants to go outside?
Do you need to go tinkle, potty? What's the word she uses? She knows.
Pee.
Do you need to pee? It's camera shy. Got it. Just shaking.
Like you.
Come here, Chloe. Come here.
She's very interested in that little twig.
Come here, sweetheart. You are so sweet.
It's a gorgeous day.
Go run. Go run.
It's a gorgeous day in, I forgot where we're at. Norwich, Ohio.
Norwick.
No, say it right.
Norwick. Norwich.
Look at this beautiful new necklace. What's it say, hon?
You are a nut.
That's what I said. It says, I am a nut. Or, I am enough. Right?
I guess.
Here, lean back.
Is there anybody else who's scared of anti-gravity chairs?
Zero gravity chairs. is what they're called.
Whatever.
By the way, we don't have a couch right now because we recently sold our couch and we're just hanging out with these suckers until we get a couch. Right?
No, don't you dare touch it. Don't you dare touch it. Okay, okay, I think I'm okay.
This was a great idea.
No, it wasn't a good idea. I think I'm okay. Hi.
All right, so as always, follow us on Instagram at Brice Milleson and at
Live Love Ohio. I forgot my name for there for a minute.
follow us on Instagram. I post all the time. We post all the time, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Where's that, Leah?
Subscribe.
That too. Where's the notification bell?
Over here now. It's way over there.
Point down. There you go. And subscribe if you want to. You know, please hit the notification bell because
if you want
sometimes...
to, no, subscribe.
Okay.
Demand.
Like it if you like it. Dislike if you don't. Give us lots of ideas, and we will see you next week.
Bye.